Hi, I thought we'd do something different today. We got a new product in I'd like to test, and I thought, why not test it on a video and show it to you, see how it works. So you might be familiar with the Grandma's Secret Spot Remover and Grandma's Secret Laundry Spray, and now they've come out with a wrinkle remover. And I found this really interesting. So I pulled out a couple garments. This t-shirt I laid flat to dry, and it's got the line of my drying rack on the back, and it's just on the verge of needing ironing. And this dress was hung to dry, and it definitely needs ironing. And then I have one of my husband's dress shirts. So let me set up the lights and the camera so you get a nice close look, and we'll test out Grandma's Secret Wrinkle Remover. All right, let's see how this works. So the instructions on the bottle say to hang or lay the garment, move about 8 inches away, to lightly spray it, don't make it wet, and then use your hands, tug on the garment to get the wrinkles out. So I have a stretchy fabric and I have a cotton dress, so let's just see how it works. You can see the wrinkles in the dress, and it clearly would need ironing. So we'll lightly spray it, and you don't iron it, you just tug it, and oh, look at that. Sweep it with your hand. And maybe I've made it a little bit too wet. Wow. I hope you can see that. It's completely wrinkle free there. I didn't spray up here, just in the middle. But wow, that actually did a really nice job. It says if you have really bad wrinkles, you might have to repeat. And I can see it's not wet right here. There was a wrinkle. So I could probably spray it again, but that, I don't need to iron that. That's pretty cool. I think that's pretty cool. All right, let's try the t-shirt. So stretchy fabric. And you can see the line from my drying rack. Actually, it might work better to hang over top of the dress. There we go. There's the line from my drying rack. You can see that. And then it's just on the verge of maybe needing pressing, maybe not. So we'll just put a light spray on that. Whoa, look at that. It's completely gone. That is, wow. That's super awesome. Completely gone. All right, let's try the dress shirt. So this was crammed in the closet. Maybe I'll just move this one. This was crammed in the closet. So you can see how it's all wrinkled on this side. So let's just do this side and see what happens. And maybe well, I don't know, I didn't feel like I soaked it, but you can see where this would be amazing if you were traveling and you didn't have an iron. Look at that, you can watch the wrinkles come right out. That is, wow, that is slick. So this big crease, oh yeah, she says to tug. So tug I will. Wow, that is really cool. All right, just for fun, let's do the other side. All right, so there's a big crease here and a big crease here. Let's see, let's just spray it and see what happens. I know when I'm using acorn fabric treatment, I like to let the treatment soak in. So I just feel like I need to hesitate for a minute. And voila, look at that. That's pretty cool. I had no idea what it was going to do, if it was going to work or not work, but this is something new for my arsenal for wrinkle removing. It comes in this big bottle, but it also comes in a little travel size. Wouldn't that be great? You know, even if you need to go, you're dressed up for work, and then you need to go somewhere after, and your clothes are wrinkly because you've been sitting on them or got wrinkled during the day, all you'd have to do is just lightly spray it when you're getting ready to leave, and then just let it dry. Look at that, that's completely gone. Wow, look at that shirt now compared to when we started. I hope you can see it well enough, but I know Dave has one shirt that has a placket here that always is really wrinkled and I have to press it. I'm going to try the wrinkle remover on that and see how it works. So thanks for joining me for the little test of Grandma's Secret Wrinkle Remover. Hey, I just wanted to check back in. When I was done shooting the last video where I tested the Grandma's Secret Wrinkle Remover, I wanted to see what if I sprayed the whole garment. So let me show you what happened. So here's my t-shirt. You remember the line that went across the back? That's gone. But I did spray the whole front and back, and the t-shirt is wrinkle free. I'm going to turn it around, but I promise I have an Edmonton Elks shirt. I'm just from Saskatchewan, so it's a rider shirt, but this, it would be perfect to wear. The dress also, the dress itself is wrinkle free. It turned out really, really nice. Even on the bottom, the hem was a little rolled up and I was able to spray that out. And then where the applique is on here, it stayed kind of wrinkled on top. So what I did is I sprayed it and then I took my fingers and I smoothed it out, and I would totally wear this dress. It was really wrinkled down the side, on both sides, but it's really nice, and I would absolutely be able to wear that pretty wrinkle free. The shirt is amazing. Remember how wrinkled it was. Now I left the wrinkles on the back there so you could remember what it was like, but I did the whole front and even the sleeves on the side, and it took all of those wrinkles out. I found with the shirt, the best thing to do instead of smoothing it with my hands was to give it a little tug. That seems to work the best, but you know what? I don't need to iron the plackets of my husband's shirts anymore, and I think this is a great tool to keep at work and also for traveling. So the little travel size would be awesome. I hope you enjoyed that little something different today, a product review, a product test. If you'd like to see some more, comment below, and maybe we'll make this a regular thing. Thanks for joining me today.